You need to hear this if you're a car enthusiast or a techie. Welcome to another deep dive into the fascinating world of automotive technology. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of a crucial system that keeps your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Today, we're diving into the world of CanBus, the superhighway of data in your car, truck, or even factory machines. This system is like the nervous system of your vehicle, transmitting vital information between different components to ensure everything works in harmony. Imagine this: a network of electronic devices, all chatting away, sharing info without getting their wires crossed. That's CanBus. It's a robust communication system that allows various parts of your vehicle to talk to each other seamlessly. It's the backbone of modern vehicles, connecting everything from your engine control unit to your car's radio. Whether it's adjusting your engine's performance or controlling your infotainment system, the CanBus is at the heart of it all. No more messy bundles of wires, just a sleek, efficient system that keeps everything running smoothly. This streamlined approach not only improves reliability, but also makes it easier to diagnose and fix issues when they arise. But what happens when this data party line goes down? When the CanBus system encounters problems, it can lead to a cascade of issues throughout your vehicle. Well, things can get bumpy. Warning lights might start flashing, your engine might not run as smoothly, and various electronic systems could malfunction. It's like a bad game of telephone where the message gets lost in translation. Buckle up, because we're about to get our hands dirty and learn how to troubleshoot this vital system. We'll explore common issues, diagnostic techniques, and the tools you'll need to keep your CanBus system in top shape. So grab your tools and let's get started on this exciting journey into the heart of automotive technology. Just like a real highway, a clogged up CanBus can spell trouble. How do you know something's wrong? Your car might throw a temper tantrum, engine light flashing, gauges going haywire, even the radio doing the robot dance. Communication breakdowns are the name of the game here. Maybe your engine control unit can't talk to the transmission, or the airbag system is playing silent mode. Not good, but fear not, intrepid troubleshooters. With a little know-how and the right tools, we can crack the code and get this data flowing again. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's gather our arsenal of diagnostic weapons. First up, the trusty multimeter. This bad boy measures voltage, resistance, and continuity, helping us sniff out electrical gremlins. Next, we have the oscilloscope, the superhero of signal visualization. It lets us actually see the CanBus messages zipping around, like watching data packets race on a digital track. And of course, no mechanic's toolkit is complete without a wiring diagram. Think of it as the treasure map to your vehicle's electrical system, guiding us through the maze of wires and connections. Now let's put that multimeter to work. First things first, check for power and ground at the CanBus connectors. Without these basic ingredients, our data party is going nowhere. Next, we'll test for continuity in the CanBus wiring. A break in the line is like a roadblock on our data highway. Messages can't get through. And don't forget about resistance. Too much resistance in the wires is like driving through mud. The signal gets weak and distorted. The multimeter will help us pinpoint these electrical bottlenecks. Section 5. Scope it out. See the CAN signals in action. Time to bring in the big guns, the oscilloscope. This gizmo lets us eavesdrop on the CanBus conversation, seeing the digital chatter in real time. We'll be looking for clean, square waveforms, the hallmark of a healthy signal. Any glitches, spikes, or dropouts could spell trouble, indicating problems with the wiring, connections, or even the electronic control units themselves. It's like listening to a conversation. If it's garbled and distorted, you know something's wrong. The oscilloscope helps us pinpoint the source of the interference. Section 6. Repairing the bus. Back on the road to data highway. We've diagnosed the problem, now it's time to roll up our sleeves and fix it. The first step in any repair process is preparation. Our mechanics gather all the necessary tools and equipment, ensuring everything is within reach. This includes specialized diagnostic tools, replacement parts, and safety gear. It's crucial to have a well-organized workspace to avoid any delays or mishaps during the repair. The repair process depends on what we've found, but some common culprits include wiring issues, faulty components, or even software glitches. Each of these problems requires a different approach. For wiring issues, we meticulously trace the circuits to find any breaks or shorts. Faulty components are tested and replaced as needed. Software glitches are diagnosed using advanced diagnostic tools that can read and reset error codes. Sometimes a simple wire repair or connector replacement can get the data flowing again. This involves carefully soldering broken wires or replacing corroded connectors. Precision is key here, as even a small mistake can lead to bigger issues down the road. Our technicians are trained to handle these delicate tasks with the utmost care. Other times, we might need to replace a faulty sensor, actuator, or other critical component. Sensors and actuators play a vital role in the vehicle's data network, sending and receiving information that keeps everything running smoothly. When these parts fail, they can cause a cascade of problems that affect the entire system, or even an electronic control unit. The ECU is essentially the brain of the vehicle, controlling various functions and systems. Replacing an ECU is a complex task that requires reprogramming and calibration to ensure it communicates correctly with the rest of the vehicle's systems. And in some cases, a software update might be all it takes to patch things up. Modern vehicles rely heavily on software to manage everything from engine performance to safety features. Keeping this software up to date is crucial for optimal performance and reliability. Our technicians use specialized tools to download and install the latest updates, ensuring the vehicle operates at its best. Whatever the fix, the goal is the same: to get that data highway humming along smoothly. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that every vehicle we work on leaves our shop in top condition, ready to hit the road with confidence. We take pride in our work and strive to provide the best service possible to keep your vehicle running efficiently. Section 7. Wiring woes, untangling the CanBus spaghetti. Wiring problems are a common headache in CanBus systems. A break in the wire, a loose connection, or even corrosion can bring the data party to a screeching halt. That's where our trusty wiring diagram comes in. It's our roadmap to the CanBus network, helping us trace wires, identify connectors, and pinpoint potential trouble spots. Once we've found the culprit, the repair is usually straightforward. A little soldering, some heat shrink tubing, and we're back in business. And Section 8. Component catastrophes, swapping out the bad actors. Sometimes the problem isn't the wiring, but the components themselves. A faulty sensor, a fried actuator, or even a malfunctioning electronic control unit can disrupt the CanBus harmony. Luckily, replacing these components is usually a plug-and-play affair. Disconnect the old, connect the new, and voila! Of course, always double-check the connections and make sure everything is properly secured. And don't forget to clear any fault codes after the replacement. This tells the system that everything is back to normal and prevents any false alarms. Section 9. Keep it clean. Tips for a healthy CanBus. Your vehicle's CanBus system is like the nervous system of your car, transmitting vital information between different components. Keeping it in good condition is crucial for optimal performance. Prevention is always better than cure, so here are a few tips to keep your CanBus system in tip-top shape. Regular maintenance can save you from costly repairs and unexpected breakdowns. First, keep those connectors clean and dry. Dirt and moisture can lead to corrosion, which can disrupt the electrical signals. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any debris. Corrosion is the enemy of good electrical contact, so a little dielectric grease can go a long way. Apply it to the connectors to create a moisture barrier and prevent oxidation. Second, be careful when working around the CanBus wiring. Avoid pulling or bending the wires excessively. Use proper tools and techniques to ensure the integrity of the wiring. A nicked wire or a loose connection can cause all sorts of headaches. Inspect the wiring regularly for any signs of wear and tear, and repair any damage immediately. And finally, stay up to date on software updates. Manufacturers often release updates that improve CanBus performance and fix any known bugs. These updates can enhance the efficiency and reliability of your vehicle's communication system. Regularly check for software updates and install them as soon as they become available. This will ensure that your CanBus system is running the latest and most stable version. By following these simple tips, you can keep your data highway flowing smoothly for years to come. A well-maintained CanBus system not only improves your vehicle's performance, but also extends its lifespan. Happy driving!